I know you guys want to see more kids perform on this stage. Come on down, Teacher Mike and Teacher Laura. Let's go! Come on, you brother. Let's go, let's go. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, oh, boo, 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 boo. There we go, these cute little kids. Come on, you guys. Grabe. Wow, Teacher Micah. Also here, right beside me. Grabe yung nangyari. Sa tingin mo, Teacher Micah, di ba, what's with K-pop na talagang minamahal ng mga K-pop?
But I feel like K-pop is really big now because, first of all, the visuals, it's really playful, it's really loud and fun. And also, the steps are really fun to learn also and dance.
Actually, yes, right, Teacher Micah. Actually, that's why napakadami talagang student get about this class, this set.
Yung playtime, kasi syempre, pag nag-vlogging, kailangan namin serious. Pero pag nag-playtime kami, it's very happy kahit na makakulit sila matatanggal yung pagod, no? Dahil sa mga kakulitan.
Ganyan pa kabata, pero meron na silang work-life balance. Alright, I want to ask somebody from your class, Teacher Mike. Sino pwede matanong dyan? Come on, baby girl. Come on, come on. Nice to baby girl. Ayan, hello. They're all shy? I think, yes. Ayan, ayan. Hi, baby girl. Parang kulang pa ng color yung hair mo, ah. Parang nakukulangan pa ako. Alright, what is your name? I got a head spin, head spin, baby. Head throw like this. Gaganon. Oh! Another one. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, and high button siya, high button. Wow, there we go. Sige na. Let's go. I love that, baby. Good luck with your performance. How about from this side, guys? Sino yung pwede nating matanong? Yung nakapila, baby. Wow, meron kang button. Gray! Asan yung family mo dito? Alam mo ba kung nasa? The red and blue. Where are you guys at? Can you please stand?
Oppan Gangnam Style.
Hey girl, do you know what time it is? It must be party time. Here we go.
Ganda!